Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Alex Coffey here to take you through today's market action. Let's take a look at where markets closed for the day. Stocks fell following a disappointing 20-year auction that sent yields accelerating higher. At that moment, you saw S&Ps, NASDAQ, Dow, and Russell all accelerate their losses, showing a Russell 2000 that led the charge lower, down almost 3% on the session. All four major indices sizably red. Let's take a look at where the sector performance shaped up for the day. Looking at the sectors, 10 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors closed lower, led to the downside by real estate, which was down over 2.6%, healthcare down about 2.4%. Communication services was the only sector to close higher on the session. Now let's look at some more stocks that are on the move. Target fell today after posting first quarter earnings that missed analyst estimates on both the top and bottom line. The retail giant saw comp sales fall 3.8% and lowered its outlook for the year, citing uncertainty around tariffs, the economy, and consumer demand. Target also announced the establishment of an acceleration office to enable faster decisions and execute core strategic initiatives. Target also noted that backlash from its rollback of DEI policies played a role in the disappointing quarter. Shares of Snowflake jumped post-market after posting a beat on both adjusted EPS and revenue for their first quarter. The cloud storage company saw revenue growth of 26% on the quarter with a net revenue retention rate of 124%. Snowflake posted second quarter guidance above street estimates after seeing remaining performance obligations rise 34% to $6.7 billion. Alphabet closed as the top performer in the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ, following several announcements surrounding AI at its annual I/O Developer Conference. Most notably, the Google parent announced a new AI mode for the Google Search browser, which allows users to talk with a chatbot in a similar manner to OpenAI's ChatGPT. Alphabet also unveiled its new AI Ultra subscription plan, which comes in at $250 per month. And Bitcoin futures briefly hit an all-time high today above 110,000, its first since late January, before falling with other risk assets after the disappointing 20-year Treasury bond auction in the middle of today's session. Tomorrow's earnings include Analog Devices, Advanced Auto Parts, and BJ's before the opening bell. Decker's Outdoor, Autodesk, Workday, and Intuit all report after the close. On the economic calendar, we'll get data on jobless claims, PMI, and existing home sales. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Alex Coffey. Make sure to tune in 24/7 on schwabnetwork.com.